Sheetify Projects is our full-feature and dynamic Google Sheets project and task management template. In this brief video, I'm going to navigate through and share all the tools and features that you and your team can access to better manage your project and task workflows. Okay, with that covered, let's go ahead and dive in. Here we are inside Sheetify Projects. You'll arrive at this quick start guide once you create a copy of this project management template. If you like, you can quickly navigate through this quick start guide to get familiar with this template. We also have dedicated project management tutorials to help you get started. Okay, let's navigate through this project management template. Down here we have settings. This is where you can simply configure your account. Next to that we have projects. Here you can manage all your internal or client projects. You can also easily create your own custom filters to quickly filter projects by any of these columns. Now, if we jump up to the custom Sheetify menu, as mentioned, Sheetify Projects is integrated with your favorite Google apps, meaning you can do things like send your tasks, your project tasks to your Google Task app or Google Calendar. You can also send your team emails. For example, if we navigate down here and select this project, I can navigate back up to Sheetify, send team email, locate project emails, and send these email templates to my team. And I'll show you an area where you can customize these templates shortly. You can also quickly add a new project, new task, new interaction between your team, and send reports. Now under Setup Sheetify, you can also enable team notifications. These email notifications will be triggered based on specific updates like status updates. Okay, let's navigate down to tasks. Here you can manage all your project tasks. You can also see important information like in projects, including tasks due this week, tasks due next week, tasks due this month, and overdue tasks. Now, if you like, you can create custom filters to quickly filter your tasks. Now, next to projects and tasks, we have your dashboard. Here you can select the project and then analyze the project's details. Next to that, we have a timeline view. Simply select the project, the view type, days or weeks, and you can see important project and task details here, as well as this timeline of your tasks. We also have a multi-timeline where you can select up to 3 projects. You can see how many tasks are associated to each of the projects. For example, King Jin has 3 active tasks, and you can see those 3 tasks down here, identified by this orange, and you can see important information about those tasks. You can see the timeline. These are the number of working weeks or days. For example, let's change this to days, and the timeline will automatically populate days. Next to that, we have calendar. We can identify your project's start and launch date, as well as preview all active projects over here and task progress. We have a Kanban view. Simply select the project and view the different project tasks. Next, we have team interactions. This is where you can manage all team interactions. And then we have email templates. This is where you can customize and personalize the information you want to pull into your team email templates. If we navigate down further, you can also update this information in email notifications. Again, these are triggered when specific actions happen inside the task and project sheet. Okay, let's navigate back over to projects. As you can see, this is a powerful Google Sheets project management template. Again, if you want to dive deeper into all the tools and features you can access inside Sheetify Projects, I will add a dedicated tutorial down below. Now, if you love Sheetify Projects, make sure you check out our other 3 toolkits. We have Sheetify CRM, Bookkeeping, and Inventory. All our toolkits work well together. I will add more information about these business toolkits down below in the description. And that is it for this Sheetify Projects overview. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.